Hello, my name is Emma. I wake up early every day. First, I stretch my arms. Then, I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with soap. The soap smells like flowers. Next, I brush my hair. My hair is long and brown. I put on my glasses. Now I can see clearly. Then, I go to the kitchen. I make tea. The tea is hot. I add milk and sugar. I eat cereal with a spoon. It is crunchy and good. After breakfast, I brush my teeth again. I like my toothpaste. It is fresh and cool. I put on my coat because it is cold outside. My coat is red. I take my bag and my keys. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. The sun is warm. I feel happy.